Laconia Motorcycle Week, the oldest rally in the world, 103 years old, and the Harley-Davidson Motor Company, along with this incredible dealership, is giving you a chance to win a trip to Laconia Motorcycle Week. All you have to do is scan the QR code and you're on your way to being a winner. And you could win this beautiful, phenomenal 2026 Pan America 1250 Limited Harley-Davidson motorcycle, along with many other prizes. Wristbands to go to the Harley-Davidson Museum, wristbands to camp up in Sturgis at the Throttle Saloon's Pappy Hoel Campground. You could win a DemerBox, the most rugged Bluetooth speaker in the world. All kinds of great prizes waiting on you to swing into the dealership, scan that QR code, and you could be a winner. Don't forget your chance to win this beautiful 2026 Pan America 1250 Limited Harley-Davidson motorcycle. We are rolling Laconia. Pappy Hoel.